Good day, my name is Herati Managbanag, BSIT 2A, subject Network Basics, Network Management, title Addressing the Network. Introduction. Network addressing is one of the major responsibilities of the network layer. Network addresses are always logical, software-based addresses. A host is also known as an end system that has one link to the network. The boundary between the host and link is also known as an interface. A network address is any logical or physical address that uniquely distinguishes a network node or device over a computer or telecommunications network when working with an IPv4 address. Each octet is converted to base 10 decimal notation and is separated by a period dot. Normally, IPv4 addresses are not represented as a hexadecimal number. However, the newer IPv6 address is generally represented as a hex number because it is a much larger number, 128 bits. IPv6 addresses will not be covered in this article. From this point on, IPv4 addresses will simply be referred to as IP addresses. Body. A network address is an identifier for a node or host on a telecommunications network. Network addresses are designed to be unique identifiers across the network. Although some networks allow for local private addresses or locally administered addresses that may not be unique. The network prefix and the host number are the two main components of a 32-bit addresses. IPv4 addresses are 32-bit numbers written in dot decimal format. A single network's hosts all have the same network address. Each host has its own address that is used to identify it. An IPv4 address is commonly expressed as 48-bit fields separated by periods and written in decimal digits. Each byte of the IPv4 address is represented by an 8-bit field. A network address is a key networking technology component that facilitates identifying a network node or device and reaching a device over a network. It has several forms, including the Internet Protocol IP address, Media Access Control or MEC address, and host addresses. Conclusion. A network is two or more computers connected together using a telecommunication system for the purpose of communicating and sharing resources. Without having a network, companies would not be able to share resources and increase productivity more effectively. The purpose of an IP address is to handle the connection between devices that has send and receive information across a network. The IP address is uniquely identifies every device on the internet. Without one, there's no way to contact them.